What up, guys? Welcome back to another video of Amplified Investing. Hey guys and gals, so short and sweet, real quick, just a nice little intro on what we're doing here. Amplified Investing is the name of one of the most successful online Discord trading groups. We trade credit spreads up in there primarily. If you would like some more information on what all that stuff is, go ahead and check out my very first video that I got up on my page, elaborating on what the group is, what we're looking to do, and who it's all for. Link is down below if you guys would like to hop in there and join at any time. Just remember to use the code AMP and get a big old discount off your monthly fee. I did want to go ahead and touch on what's going on in the Discord right now. We have been in a rolled position ever since July 10th. Now, you might be saying, doing the math here, it's like, oh my God, you guys are underwater pretty bad. Yes, it looks like that. Well, here's the process, guys. So essentially, when you roll a position, you're just moving your expiration, adjusting your strikes, potentially maybe widening the position. Some cases you add collateral into it just to help get even better credit received and or pay a smaller debit on that position. Now, not to harp on educating or doing anything like that, I would highly recommend checking out my buddy LoganLaj, LoganLaj. You just type that into the YouTube search, he will be popping up right there. So now, the roll position, yeah, it can seem stressful. We're kind of underwater. The market's just been pushing up here for, I believe this is the 6th consecutive day of just green city, baby. Is what it is, you know, and sometimes these trades go against you, and that's what this channel is going to be. It's going to be reporting the good. It's going to be reporting the bad. Now, this is the reassurance of being in this Discord group. We're not sweating, we're not worrying. Some of our members absolutely. However, we always advise people to absolutely size correctly. But go into something with a good game plan, you know, develop that plan A, absolutely prioritize that, and then have a plan B. And God forbid both those go bad, you got that plan C, and we are right here on that plan B mark still. So nothing to worry about, just rolling this bad boy. So this is just like a nice little Tuesday update. And yeah, I'm gonna keep you all posted. So come the end of this week, let's find out what happens with this position. So Wednesday recap going on here today. So S&P 500 been on that run up for a friggin' hot minute now. Look at this healthy freaking chart. So I'm just gonna kind of dive in a little bit on what we're still doing here in the Discord. We are in a rolled position for this Friday, July 21st. Today's date is July 19th. We got 2 more days till that expiration date. Of course, that is when we want all that premium to be sucked out of those contracts for us to collect our collateral and take our premium that we received from the get-go. Now, I just wanted to touch on what my man Vance is shouting out here, dropping some knowledge bombs in the chat today. This was beautiful. So we had a member here talking about, would it be a good idea to hedge this position by putting a put credit spread above our strikes there at the call credit spread? Vance replies to the individual that said, I get this approach, but when we're deep in the money on a call credit spread, you hedge with a put credit spread that's above the call credit spread. Vance goes ahead and replies, when we widen, we're almost at the money. So the hedge is close to the expected move band, which gives a larger credit. The idea is to collect a large enough credit on the half size hedge to cover overall position reduction and finance another roll if needed without having to widen. In a perfect world, the close will happen between the somewhat tight iron Condor strikes, but worst case is the hedge is blown out, but since it's half the size, you'll get half the collateral back. The idea is to constantly reduce risk. Essentially, as you continue to widen, you still want that short strike really close to what would be in the money. This is a great way to collect premium and also de-risk those higher up long positions that you bought. So I'm not going to dive into the, again, how these call credit spreads and put credit spreads, too much work in this video. I just want to drop this nice little Wednesday recap. Logan is going to go ahead and set up a little hedge here. This is a new Condor trade. So Logan went ahead and put up a put credit spread here at the 4490 and 4475 strike, and also is going to set up a call credit spread at the 4630 and the 4640. So that will be a total of 0.85 credit received. The game plan here is to look for 0.15 to 0.2 to close out hopefully tomorrow, as we hopefully will just get a nice little minor pullback on this beautiful nice run that we've been getting. What's up, guys? Today's the 20th, it's a Thursday. So our little hedge that we got on here is looking nice and juicy. We're going into OPEX day tomorrow. So typically especially after we've seen consecutive green days. An OPEX day is, historically speaking, the red day. So all right, here, this is what's going on in the Discord. We're chilling, y'all. We're gonna see what tomorrow has to bring, hopefully a little bit more red. Logan is gonna go ahead and wait for tomorrow to place any more trades, just given the fact that we're in OPEX. I will see y'all, well, technically speaking, in like 5 seconds in this video, but yeah, it's gonna be a day for me, so. What's up, gang? All right, so today is Friday, July 21st. So Logan went ahead and slapped on a new trade here for Monday. I'm gonna get after that here in a second, but let's just talk about this beautiful iron condor that expired worthless. Let me see if I got it here on my computer. Yeah, so this stayed right in range. So this was beautiful for a good old OPEX day here on Friday. Also, it stayed below our call credit spreads side, the long and the short of the 46.30 and the 46.40s for that juicy 0.5 credits. That's freaking awesome. We got after the roll. You addressed that, which was our contracts expiring Friday. So today, got a lot going on here. Right? We're hedging, we're getting our money back. This iron condor today really helped us with this position that we will be rolling 7 days away to July 28th. Now with this one, we are moving the 44.95 and the 45.15. This is a call credit spread, so we want that price to stay below. We're going to go ahead and buy ourselves 7 days of time, and we're actually going to bump that sucker up. This is a big juicy debit, so we are paying $280 essentially per lot. Now that's we got that working order in, and we're just going to see what next week gives us. So if we got to address this problem again, we do have a better leeway. We just need price action to move below 44.65 throughout the next week, that short strike. So last little thing I did want to address, this is another little hedged position. We're slapping on another iron condor. This is going to be for July 21st. That's my birthday, baby. Let's go. I'm going to be 24, July 24th. Anyway, yeah, so it's at the 45.85 short strike and the 45.95 for a nice 0.4 credit. And also we got that put credit spread there for the 45.05 and also that 44.95 for 0.6. So essentially $1. So $100. That's pretty freaking nice. All right, y'all. So below that, also Logan's great about this. He usually will just put that copy paste order for your Thinkorswim account. So for those of you that are on there, you can just get with it. All you got to do is blindly copy, change window, paste. Now you're following the trade. So pretty sweet stuff. All right, y'all, that was the weekly recap. Let's see what next week has. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to hit that like, maybe subscribe, stay along for this journey. And as always, y'all, if you want to hop in this Discord, the link is down below. Use that code AMP for the Amplified Investing Group, and you can get ahead of this and be with these trades live. So you don't have to just get recaps, because often it's too late to hop in these trades once I'm reporting. So anyway, y'all, have a good weekend, and I'll see y'all soon.